Things are shaping up over here. This room is gonna turn out exactly like the other rooms. So the idea is that when you come in here, everything is the same, everything matches. Got everything painted up against there. The ceiling, the walls, all that. Well, I still got a few things to do. And here's one of the things I still have to do. You see that? I just painted all my baseboard. And it turned out really nice. It's always good to paint your baseboard before you install it. Then after I nail it up there, I'll caulk it and touch up the nail holes and do some touch-up painting on it. Then it'll be all nicely finished. Better to do that than to paint right down against the floor, you know what I mean? But I need to do all this so that it matches up perfectly. I went ahead and I painted around this window up here, and I even did that over this wood floor. I took my craft paper, see all those white lines? Well, that's what I painted my baseboard on. And these long pieces of baseboard, I just painted it right down on the craft paper, and I slid that craft paper up there against the wall, used my ladder, got up there, and you know, I'm not sure, but I don't think I dropped any paint on this floor, but it was a good thing that I put that down anyways. You know, because I wanted to protect my floor. I didn't have enough time to paint this window frame before I installed this floor. So sometimes you got to do things out of sequence.